How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can edit fan curve on MSI Afterburner. So the first thing that you want to do is to just open up the MSI Afterburner and make sure that your application is up to date. From here, you then want to click on the gear icon, which is going to be this one. And then there will be the fan category on this specific property setting. So just click on it, enable user-defined software automatic fan control. And then inside this page, of course, you have the ability to modify or tweak some setting. But generally, you can just click on the override fan 0 with hardware curve. And then now you can modify your curve the way you want to. Because if this is disabled, from time to time, we cannot go ahead and edit out our curve. But basically inside this page, you could just click and drag your fan speed, and from there you are good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.